Okay, let's talk about something that sounds like pure sci-fi, but might just be the future of space travel. The space elevator. Imagine an elevator that stretches from the surface of the Earth all the way up into space, over 22,000 miles high. Wild, right? But how would it actually work? Picture this. You start with a super strong cable anchored to the ground, maybe on the equator. The other end? It's attached to a massive counterweight orbiting out in space. If you balance everything just right, the cable stays taut thanks to Earth's rotation, like swinging a ball on a string over your head, but on an Earth-size scale. Now, instead of blasting rockets through the atmosphere, you could simply send robotic climbers crawling up the cable, carrying cargo or even passengers. No roaring rockets, no fuel burning up in giant fireballs, just a smooth electric ride straight to orbit. Why is this such a big deal? Well, launching stuff into space is insanely expensive. Most of that cost is just fighting gravity. With a space elevator, we could cut launch costs by up to 95%. That means more satellites, bigger space stations, maybe even hotels in orbit. It could totally change how we access and use space. Of course, there are challenges. The biggest? We don't have a material strong enough yet for the cable. People talk about carbon nanotubes or graphene, but we're not quite there. Plus, you've got to dodge weather, satellites, maybe even space debris. But here's the thing. Humans are pretty good at solving impossible problems. So, could space elevators revolutionize space travel? If we crack the science, absolutely. It might just be the elevator pitch that gets us all into orbit.